Adjustable temperature electric soldering iron 220V 110V 60W welding solder rework station blue heat pencil tips repair tools is $0.49 with 50% discount applied. If you click the product information link in the detailed information, you can directly check the price, detailed information, recommendation information, and purchase reviews. You can also check related recommended products by clicking the View More Related Products link. For recommended products for overseas direct purchase, start at Junglo.